We're at 4945 Catalina Circle. This is in Pensacola, right next to Corry Station. We're entering through the front door here. Directly in front of us, we have a coat closet, and then we also have the entrance to the garage as well. And then turning, we have our living area. We have all tile flooring throughout the home, so great for easy cleaning. And then we have our formal dining area. We'll go to the living room first. We have a wood-burning fireplace and back door exit. You can see our breakfast nook and kitchen through there as well. Now we're going towards the front of the home, so you can see our garage and front door. To the kitchen first. Here is our breakfast nook, and then we have our galley style kitchen. Our formal dining area has an entry from the kitchen here. All appliances are included. And we'll show you the dining area. So we're back facing the front of the home. Next, we'll take you to the master suite. This is on the right side of the home, so it is a split floor plan. So going back through the kitchen, through the the breakfast nook, sorry. And then here is our master. First, we have our bathroom. We have this super large double sink vanity, walk-in shower, and then we have our commode behind the door. Heading back out. And then walking further, here's that master. So this bedroom is on the front side of the home, but it's a very quiet cul-de-sac street. And then we also have the two master closets. Heading back out, we'll take you to the other bedrooms and bathroom. So we're going through the breakfast nook, through the living area, passing our front door, and then we come to this hallway here. Our first right is going to be a bedroom number 1. So this is guest bedroom. This is on the back side of the home. And you can see our extra large closet there. Heading back out. Next stop will be our guest bathroom. So very good size 1 sink vanity with some extra storage space. Tub shower combo. Heading back out, we have a linen closet, and then here's bedroom number 3. So this is on the left side of the home. Coming back out, we'll take you to the backyard now. So we're going through the living area. And we'll come to our fireplace and our back door. And then here is that backyard. The majority of the yard is fenced in, and we do have this patio space here as well. So we'll turn you around and show you more of the yard here. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 4945 Catalina Circle, offered by Barrons Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.